Without a doubt, Nikola Tesla is one of the most famous scientists ever in the world, and it is rare to come across someone of fame and intelligence as Nikola Tesla. But what was Nikola Tesla's strange way he understood if someone was intelligent, or even genius? Now, imagine you go to the interview to meet Nikola Tesla. You enter a room. You see Tesla sitting, waiting for you. As soon as you enter, he looks at you and asks a few specific questions that you would never expect to hear. First, what is the most important invention ever made? What is the meaning of life? What is the greatest mystery of the universe? What is the future of humanity? It's interesting that Nikola had some incredible answers to these questions, and we will discuss these answers later in the video. And with that, there is a famous story of how Nikola met Mark Twain, and Tesla instantly tried and tested Mark Twain's intelligence by asking him one of these questions. Did Mark Twain answer correctly? Did he prove his intelligence to Tesla? Well, we will also discuss this story a little later in the video, but it's important to note that Nikola Tesla was known for his unique personality and unconventional approach to interacting with people. He had a keen interest in science, technology, and the intellect of those around him. First of all, Tesla frequently interacted with some of the brightest minds of his time, including Thomas Edison and George Westinghouse. His interactions with these fellow inventors were often characterized by a mix of collaboration and competition. For example, his relationship with Edison started as a collaboration, but turned into a bitter rivalry over their differing views on direct current and alternating current electricity systems. When interacting with other scientists and inventors, Tesla would engage in intense discussions and debates about scientific theories and engineering concepts. These interactions were about testing intelligence and about pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge and exploring new ideas. Tesla also loved to ask people, what is the relationship between space and time? Also, it's interesting to point out that Tesla was also known for his public lectures and demonstrations. He had a knack for captivating audiences with his charismatic speaking style and dramatic experiments, such as his famous demonstrations of wireless electricity. These interactions with the public were aimed at both educating and inspiring people about the wonders of science and technology. Tesla's ability to convey complex scientific concepts in an accessible manner endeared him to a wide range of people, from fellow scientists to ordinary citizens. He believed in the importance of educating the public about scientific advancements and fostering an appreciation for the sciences. So now let's get back to this story with Nikola Tesla and Mark Twain's meeting. In 1896, Tesla was invited to a dinner party at the home of Mark Twain. Twain was a great admirer of Tesla's work, and he was eager to meet him. During the dinner conversation, Tesla asked Twain one of his favorite questions. What is the greatest mystery of the universe? Twain thought for a moment and then replied, the greatest mystery of the universe is the universe itself. And Tesla was pleased with Twain's answer. He knew that Twain was a deep thinker and a keen observer of the world around him. He was also glad that Twain shared his interest in the big questions. Tesla and Twain continued to converse for hours that evening. They discussed a wide range of topics, including science, philosophy, and the future of humanity. Tesla was deeply impressed by Twain's intelligence and wit. He later said that Twain was one of the most intelligent people he had ever met. After dinner, Tesla and Twain moved to the living room, where they continued their conversation. They talked about everything from the nature of consciousness to the possibility of life on other planets. Tesla was inspired by Twain's creativity and his willingness to challenge the status quo. Twain was impressed by Tesla's brilliance and his vision for the future. At the end of the evening, Tesla and Twain shook hands and promised to stay in touch. They both felt that they had made a new friend. The story of Tesla and Twain's conversation is a reminder that even the most brilliant minds can learn from each other. Now, let's specifically analyze Nikola Tesla's favorite questions and what were his answers to these questions. First, what is the meaning of life? According to Tesla, the purpose of life is to discover your gift. The work of life is to develop it. The meaning of life is to give your gift away. Second, what is the relationship between space and time? According to Nikola, space and time are not conditions in which we exist, but modes by which we are conscious of one another. Third, what is the nature of consciousness? According to him, consciousness is the supreme mystery of the universe. Fourth, what is the future of humanity? According to Tesla, humanity is destined to be one of the greatest races in the universe. Fifth, what is the most important invention ever made? According to Nikola, The most important invention ever made is the wheel. He also did write and speak extensively about the importance of alternating current electricity, which he considered to be one of his most important contributions. In an interview with the New York Times in 1897, Tesla said, "The alternating current system is the greatest invention of my life, and it is destined to revolutionize the world." And sixth, this is the question that Nikola asked Mark Twain. What is the greatest mystery of the universe? According to Nikola Tesla, the greatest mystery of the universe is the source of cosmic energy. He believed that the universe was filled with an infinite amount of energy, and that this energy was the key to understanding everything, from the nature of matter to the origins of life. In a 1931 interview, Tesla said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have a key to the universe." He was convinced that these numbers held a deep significance, and that they could be used to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. So, if it happens, if at some point you will get asked these questions, we hope that this video would help you. And that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.